Hello and welcome to another update video about ICP. So it seems indeed as if a larger pullback is unfolding. This wave 2 or B wave support area that I already put onto the chart a few days ago seems to become relevant, especially after the price reached our target range. The idea on this chart is that we potentially indeed formed a 5-wave move to the upside, and it recently topped here. Again, it could still get another high, but the depth of the decline and the momentum make it increasingly likely that a top has already formed, and that is also why I highlighted to you already a few days ago when my target area was reached and we had a rejection, that I think it's time to take a step back after really the price behaved really well and reacted to our trading area here the target area, and then we had this support area here which took the price into our target area, and that was the 5-wave move complete. So technically all the requirements are fulfilled for a first rally to the upside, and we can now watch for a corrective pullback potentially. And the support region is unchanged. It's between $4.10 and $8.32, and as long as the $4.10 level is holding, another rally afterwards can be expected, or at least it's reasonable to expect one. So it's obviously a little bit too early to now, let's say, label what's going on here. But if it's a standard ABC correction, then the A wave could react, for example, to the $8.32 level. Then we could get a B wave rally and a C wave down. Now, that's not a prediction. It's sort of just the ideal structure, really, that we're watching for in such a correction. We need a little bit more price data to really suggest what exactly is unfolding here. And I think the next few days we should know more. There is also going to be some support in this region around $9.50, $9.40 here, where we had this sort of previous area of trade. The market was dancing, or the price was dancing on this Fibonacci level of this trading area. Again, around, it's actually a little lower. So the Fib level itself is at $9.17. It's just that we had the price oscillate around that level, dancing on it basically, before that final push to the upside in this 5th wave occurred. So just want to mention that because it might be that this A wave will react to it. Again, then ideally we get a B wave and the C wave. But sometimes these coins make the C, form it in one go with a very, very shallow B wave. We'll see how it develops over the next few days. Important is that as long as we now stay below the January highs, and the price point was around $16.44, the wave 2 should now be unfolding. Okay, so we see a more substantial pullback now. It would be further confirmed with a break below $10.69, because technically, I mean, this wave 4 could still turn around from here, but I think the likelihood is reducing, especially looking at the momentum, and we've broken below $11.44 already. The 50% Fibonacci level is also quite important for a 4th wave, so that diminishes and reduces the likelihood that we get another high. Okay, but yeah, bear in mind we had 5 waves up complete, and then it's typically time to take a step back. Okay, and yeah, it reached one of the major Fibonacci levels here. Yeah, we had these smaller fibs at $15.86, and the more relevant one was here at $15.74. And then we need to see if the support area is holding. It's a little bit too early to sort of make a call there. Really depends on how the structure develops over the next few days. And remember, next week we can expect some volatility in the market. I mean, depends on obviously what the news is going to be. But if we see a little bit of a sell-off before that, it might actually lead to a bit of a rally as soon as we get approval of the ETF. So we'll see how that all comes together. I think we are going to, we can look forward to an exciting week in crypto. Not much more to add about ICP. I think it's, again, still time to take a step back, sit on the sidelines after the expectations were fulfilled, and then just wait for a little bit of clarity and wait for the next setup to occur. Yeah, that's my update about ICP. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.